Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you from the Forest River studio. Today I am super excited to walk through a brand new quad bunk floor plan with you. It's called 29 Camp, part of our Legend X series. This product is loaded with features. The floor plan is 35 feet 1 inch from tip to tip, under 7,000 pounds dry weight. And what I want you to know about this Legend X, this Camp series, is that you're getting all the great Surveyor construction qualities that you love in the product at an unbelievable price point. We've got 4 individual bunks here in the back with USB-C ports on each bunk area and individual lights as well. You've got a really nice setup back here for some additional storage with TV backer if you want to add a TV later, and you've got individual ducts here that connect to your main AC. When you walk in the doorway, first thing you're gonna see is a walk-in pantry with washer dryer prep standard. You're gonna have a really nice entertainment area here with some storage underneath. Standard 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. Huge kitchen. You've got a 3-burner cooktop with some huge drawers underneath, a ton of overall storage here. You've got a microwave with an air fryer, and you even get the cutting board that's gonna double as a sink cover. All right, let's check out the living and dinette area of this 29 Camp model. You've got a very comfortable jackknife sofa directly across from your entertainment area. You've got a very comfortable standard booth dinette here, converts to a sleeping space, and you've got some huge windows in the slide out. All right, before we head to the bedroom, let's talk about the AC setup on this 29 Camp. You're gonna have a standard 18,000 BTU soft start main AC in the living room. Your bedroom area is gonna have a standard 13.5 AC, but you are prepped for 3 ACs on this model with 50 amp service. All right, let's check out the bathroom in this 29 Camp. Some really nice features in here. You've got a residential vanity mirror here, a ton of storage space, ton of counter space in here. You've got a really nice shower with the skylight. You've got a high-powered 4-speed Furrion fan and just a ton of space in this 29 Camp bathroom. All right, let's check out the bedroom in this 29 Camp. You've got a 60 by 80 queen bed. You've got a really nice cubby area back here you can see in the bedroom. Standard cup holders, floating shelves. You've also got power on both sides of the bed back there. You've got some really nice storage here as well. Overhead storage, oversized wardrobes. You've got drawers on each side. You've got some additional storage under the bed as well. And at the foot of the bed, you've got power and USB-C ports. All right, let's talk about the top features up front here on the 29 Camp Legend X model. You're gonna have standard power tongue jack, standard dual propane with the cover. You've also got standard battery disconnect. Cargo storage here goes all the way through. You've got magnetic door catches here. You've got aluminum bed base inside as well, a great upgrade on this model. We've got a sealed and true heated underbelly, so everything's gonna be sealed, and you've got a dedicated heat duct that's forcing heat to the underbelly when you're running your furnace, so a great setup for extended season. You've got 2 entries on this unit. Both of them have black glass entry doors and Lippert solid steps. You've got a really nice oversized grab handle as well. As we move to the back here, you're gonna have outside kitchen prep. That's gonna come with an LP quick connect down below. You've got hot and cold exterior spray port that's gonna be standard equipment on this model. Huge awning, 21-foot awning with LED light strip that's gonna cover both entry doors, so a great setup there. You've got some additional storage here. Again, magnetic door catch, but just a great additional storage area. Let's head to the back and talk about some of the top features back there. You've got standard spare tire with the cover, rear camera prep, and you've got prep for your Lippert on-the-go ladder, which you can easily get aftermarket. We've also got tankless on-demand water heater that's gonna be standard equipment on this model, and you've got standard solar on the roof as well. 100-watt solar panel standard with a 30-amp controller, so you can easily expand the solar setup if you want to, and you've got standard inverter prep. All right, thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the brand new Legend X 29 Camp Quad Bunkhouse. For more information, you can go to our website at www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor. You can follow us on social media as well. Thanks for joining me.